In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in the Bank of America app. Before we start, here's the key idea. The Bank of America app doesn't have its own dark mode switch. Instead, it follows whatever theme your phone is set to. So we'll make sure your app is up to date, turn on dark mode at the device level, and then the app will match automatically. First, make sure your Bank of America app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include visual improvements and compatibility fixes for system themes. On your phone, open your App Store, search for the Bank of America app, and tap Update if you see it available. If you don't see an update button, you're likely already on the latest version. It's a good idea to be on Wi-Fi for faster downloads and give the install a moment to complete before moving on. Next, turn on dark mode on your device. Go to your system settings, then open display, look for dark mode or dark theme, and switch it on. The wording can vary slightly by device. On many iPhones, you'll find it under Settings, then Display and Brightness, and choose Dark. On many Android phones, it's Settings, then Display, and Toggle Dark Theme. Some devices also call it Night Mode. If your phone offers a schedule option, you can set dark mode to turn on automatically at sunset or at a time you prefer. That won't change how the app behaves, but it can make your overall experience more comfortable. Now, open the Bank of America app. As soon as the system theme is dark, the app will follow suit. If the app was already running while you change the setting, close it and reopen it so the theme refreshes. Give it a second to load and you should see the darker color scheme right away. Remember, there isn't a separate dark mode toggle inside the Bank of America app. It mirrors your device's theme, so anytime you switch your phone back to light mode, the app will also return to light mode. If you're not seeing dark mode, double check that your device setting is on, confirm the app is updated, and relaunch the app. On older devices that don't support a system-wide dark theme, the app may remain in light mode. That's it. Update the app, set your phone to dark mode, open the app, and it will match automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy the more comfortable, battery-friendly dark experience while you bank.